we in, boys. That sounds so good, bro. Bro, that thing is brutal, yeah. Yeah, this different, yeah. Real fast car.
This person in front is fucking different.
Yeah, they're wildin'. Bro, you can't stop smiling if you're in this thing, bro. It's straight vibes, like, we can't really hit boost. The engine is still breaking in, but you still feel the power. Like, this shit's still faster than my car. It's on pump gas. Yep, right now we are at 120. Just the startup, yeah. Kind of laughing at my head mount.
Give me my speedometer back, you fucker.
Oh, it's still gone.
Oh,
Well, no speedometer, no tickets. We don't know our speed. Everyone's gonna stare at my head.
What?
Your phone's huge, bro. I'm recording with Kyle's phone. A freaking GoPro failed me. My phone's dead, and this GoPro's dead. It's somewhere back there. The lady's laughing.
Is she?
Yeah. I don't give a fuck.
They're fucking angry. What the fuck?
How many times do you get to ride in a Supra? 2J boy. Your food's flying off my head. Beautiful Sunday.
It's not bad.
It can't be,
There's
bro.
gonna be thunderstorms Fly. Speedometer. Oh
It feels
fuck.
around.
Where the cops hang out.
It feels around 75 right now though. Stay behind this guy. Safe zone.
I just started using it. Change that oil. Slow time.
Oh yeah? One more oil change. This is like the fifth?
Fourth.
Fourth oil change in 150 kilometers.
Yeah, fire it up. Change the oil. Drive about 15 kilometers. Change the oil. Drove 100 kilometers. Change the oil. And now I'm doing it again.
Sir, comes with the game. Maintenance first. Better safe than sorry.